Hello guys, in this video I am going to share about how to build a GDAL code or libraries in Windows platform with Microsoft Visual Studio in C++. Before starting it, just few lines about GDAL. GDAL full form is a Geospatial Data Abstraction Library. It is a translator library for raster and vector geospatial data formats. And as of now, I am working on network simulator application, and it is required to explore the GDAL and import some libraries and code which can be used to convert the one raster data format into other data format. So in case if someone is looking to use the GDAL libraries in its application, then definitely this video is going to be useful to you. So let's start with this. Step number 1 is to download GDAL code and its binaries. So just simply search on Google GDAL, and here from this side go to options download and download the latest its binary. So this is a source code which I have downloaded. Now next download its binaries, GDAL binaries. So click on the first link and here click on GIS internals, and from this side and in this side click on development kits. From here you can download the binaries as per your operating system. Mine one is 64 and I'm going to download for 2019 this one. Okay, so let's download this. Step number 2 is to uncompress this GDAL code and its binaries. In step number 3, few files need to be copied into the GDAL code from its binaries, and it's a bit tricky part, and I have spent a lot of time to find which files need to be copied for successful build of GDAL code. So first, simply in this folder make two new folders. One is include and other one is lib, right? And let's go back, and from release folder, release means from its binaries folder, go to its include folder and copy project 7 to the GDAL and copy project 7 to the GDAL code in its include folder, right? Now you have to copy some of its libraries into the GDAL code. Once again go to the GDAL binaries and go to its library folder, and from here and okay, and from here you need to copy project.lib file. To the lib folder. So okay guys, I have copied some few files from its binary folders to the GDAL code in include and in its library folder. Right. Let's move to the step number 4. In the step number 4, open its nmake file and do some changes. In nmake file, you need to specify the include directory and the library directory. Okay. My include directory is at path. My include directory is at path this one. So let's mention it here. And my library path is present here. And here its name is proj.lib. So okay guys, in the nmake file you need to provide the include path and the library path. So these are the two lines which I have added in the nmake. Let's save this file. Save. Okay. In step number 5, it is required to make the VC project. So for this open Windows PowerShell. And here give path of this directory. Sorry. Okay. Now once you are in the GDAL code folder, here need to execute a particular command. Here it is required to execute this particular command. So in this step it will take 1 or 2 minutes to build the VC project. So okay, now the VC project is created, as you can see. Now let's move to the next step. Simply open GDAL code folder. And here as you can see, this is a project file. So let's open it. Okay. Now it's time to build. Let's start build. So okay. Oh, here it is showing some errors. Do not delete GDAL release date. Do not define GDAL release date. Okay, identify truncated. Cannot open include file project.h. Okay. So here it is showing some error, cannot open include file project.h. I think I have not provided the right path. So let me check. Okay, let's go to the include directory of this once again in the include. Okay, here is the project files. So let's cut these files and paste it here. Now once again build this. So it is taking time to build. Okay. Okay, once again some GDAL include lib. Oh, once again some error. I think I have not defined the proper path of this library file. So let's copy this library file into this folder itself. Copy. Now once again I have started to build. Let's see what's the outcome at this time. Oh, what it is saying. Cannot open file include lib project dot lib. क्या हो गया? So okay, now it is built successfully. Here as you can see, build 1 succeeded. So in this whole process I did 2 mistakes. Simply I did not define the correct path. For example, the include path is not defined properly, and secondly, as you can see here, the path of library files is also not defined properly. So because of this reason the build gets failed, and in order to build the GDAL code, simply I have copied the files into the right folder as specified into the nmake file, right? So guys, in this way you can build the GDAL library code on Windows platform. I hope that the contents are useful for software developers. Thank you very much for watching this video.